This is a Zildjian prototype, 2,245 grams, and it's a Jazzy cymbal. Definitely an upper model. It's hard to tell what series and if this became an actual model or not. The cup is very small, does not ring a bell, pun intended, meaning that I'm not sure if this became a model, but that doesn't mean that it is not a good cymbal. As a matter of fact, it might be a very unique cymbal because only a few were made. Anyway, check it out. 6 rivets installed professionally, evenly spaced.